Hello guys, there have a Samsung washing machine WW80T504DAEA and welcome on additional functions overview video. So in this device we have a few additional functions. Let's check it. To activate this panel, click on this button. Now just turn on the dial to browse it. The first additional function is the pre-wash. The next one is intensive, the bubble soak. You can also enter the My Cycles here and set the delay. In the last option, you can set the child lock. If you want to turn on anything, just use the dial to adjust the function and click on the O button. Now it's activated. If you want to go back, turn to the left side and click on the O button at the back. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.